Mastering cooking vocabulary. Boil rice, explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic lined up for you, especially if you are interested in enhancing your English vocabulary related to cooking. We're going to dive deep into the phrase, boil rice, breaking it down, and helping you understand how to use it correctly in English conversations. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate English learner, this video is tailored just for you. So, let's get started. First off, let's take a look at what the phrase, boil rice, actually means. The phrase is made up of two words, boil, which is a verb, and rice, which is a noun. Boil. This is a cooking method that involves heating a liquid, usually water, to a temperature where it turns into steam and produces bubbles. When we say we are boiling something, it means we are cooking it in boiling water or another boiling liquid. Rice. This is a type of grain that is commonly eaten all around the world. It comes in various types and forms, but it is usually small, white or brown, and hard before it is cooked. When combined, the phrase, boil rice, refers to the process of cooking rice by boiling it in water. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's look at how we can use boil rice in a sentence. 1. Positive sentence. I usually boil rice for dinner because it's quick and easy. 2. Negative sentence. I don't boil rice very often. I prefer to steam it. 3. Question. Do you know how to boil rice properly? In each of these examples, the phrase, boil rice, is used to talk about the action of cooking rice. When learning a new phrase, it's also important to know what mistakes to avoid. Here are a couple of common errors people make when using the phrase, boil rice. 1. Incorrect. I am boiling the rice yesterday. 2. Correct. I boiled the rice yesterday. 3. Incorrect. She don't know how to boil rice. 4. Correct. She doesn't know how to boil rice. Pay attention to the tense you are using and make sure to conjugate your verbs correctly. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, boil rice, for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using this phrase in your own sentences and conversations to get a better grasp of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.